Hi everyone, so it's Dr. Charles on location in Germany, just doing an amazing bike tour and just found this old cemetery, so let's check it out. Ready? Let's go. Damn, did you hear that noise? Okay, let's go. Let's go. What the hell is that? Oh, do you see these? This is a skull and an hourglass. What the heck is that? And I can't see any year here. Oh, these are angels, heads with wings, kind of like the Egyptian winged disc almost. Another kind of almost Egyptian winged disc, a bit weird. What the hell is that? Someone in the first 75 Immer 6 Monarch. I don't know what that means. Over here, we're just near Dortmund in Germany. Anno 1667. Guys, this is ancient. This is like just after the fire of London. This is 18th century kind of script. That's going to be hard to read. That's impossible to read. Anno 1765. Over here. I can't read that. It's a lovely ancient church. That is a beautiful skull and crossbones over here. Again, 1749. So 1770, it looks like 1770 and 1749. It looks like a husband and wife perhaps. Damn, this is how they used to do it back in the day. 1746, 1826. Is that one made of iron or something? It's lasted. Johann Caspar Seid, 1758 to 1828. 1828, 1799. What a marvellous old church this is, actually. It's really cool. I know something about German people. They look at you. They're a bit like Dutch people. They look at you, you know? I mean, I'm not weird or anything. Gee, that's a cool church. Well, that was the graveyard. Let's see if we can go inside, shall we? Kirche Kleinbarop. Mare fina Kapala. Okay, let's open. Oh. Come all this way, and they lock the door. Yeah, all this way. Thanks very much. Yeah, so much for allowing people to pray. Oh well, or at least check out the ruins. Anyway. Just a little bit more, guys. They made doors quite small back in the past. So I'm 6'2", and oh look, I bumped my head. Damn, that's a small door. And guys, over from the door, look, I found a very interesting feature that looks like something at Tiwanaku. What the heck is that? I've never seen this on a church before. Is this a German thing? What the hell is going on here? What is that? Is that a gutter? Is it a gargoyle? It's a type of gargoyle. I'm guessing the water funnels out from here. And from over there is an old type of gutter. Let's look around the church and see if there's any more. I really can't see any more. I don't know what that thing is doing sticking out. That was like something at Tiwanaku. There's another one, another face. We're going to call this the Church of the Creepy Faces. I can't see any more. The problem is all these churches were screwed up during the 30 Years' War because Germany had epic religious wars in the past. 30 Years' War time, you see, it's been mucked up. Yeah, so it's got two creepy faces on it. There was something there. That's interesting. It's been taken off. Head of God, maybe. So this here, it's been cemented here, but there was a gap here, clearly just like on the other one, and it's the only other face. It's weird. Well, there you go, guys. A damn creepy church with a creepy graveyard and 2 Tiwanaku faces. I didn't see any more. It's obviously been modified. They've been taken away. They've been obliterated. I've just been told it's very strange. I'm traveling with someone who hasn't seen this before in Germany. So, yeah, who knows what's going on here. This is weird, guys. Yes! And, guys, don't forget to hit that sub button and share. Cheers. Well, guys, seems like there's another one there, but it's been obliterated away. And there's another one up there, and it's also been obliterated away. And I see a third one over here. Do you see that rock right there? That may have been a face right there. The Church of the Creepy Faces, very strange. Reminds me of Temple Church, London. So guys, in summary, as you can see, this church is on a hill. There's probably a terribly ancient heathen temple beneath this, and the ancient cult has been carried over into this church. How weird is that? Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed that. I'm going to go off to my little house over here and yeah, just retire for the night. I need a good, nice sleep. Oh hell yeah, this is very nice. Let's just whoa. 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 Hey. It is all